Now electronics is permeating to all fields of daily life, whether it is consumption through mobile phones, whether it is agriculture, whether it is automotive, whether it is medical, whether it is any industrial product, like whether it is factory running sugar, producing sugar, or coal. Electronics is everywhere. For manufacturing side, we have a very ambitious target. We are looking at growing our electronics manufacturing to $300 billion by 25-26, which is almost 4 times the growth where we are currently. Then out of this, we are expecting by 2025-26 we will have $180 billion worth of domestic demand. So we have a very healthy demand, which is propelling our aspiration for becoming one of the key players in the electronics manufacturing. Display is a very integral part of now all the electronics, and we estimate that we will be having almost $20 billion of display demand by 25-26, which is approximately 20% of the global production of display. 20% is a huge opportunity for any key component manufacturer like display to be present in India. So this is the growth driver, which is promoting the global companies' interest in putting up display manufacturing, display fab, and display assembly units in India. We have this aspiration target of $300 billion, intermediate target I will say, and we are looking at becoming a $1 trillion electronics manufacturing economy in next 10 years. So for any if we have to achieve $1 trillion, all the key components should be in place. Semiconductor, display, lithium-ion cells, PCB, all are the core component, and we have a very good proactive central government under our Honorable Prime Minister, which has taken electronics as an important constituent of their policy making. So we are strengthening our ecosystem. We are strengthening our competitiveness, so that because if you have to export to the world, you need to be competitive globally. So we are building our competitiveness, and we are hopeful that out of $300 billion, we have set a target of $120 billion of exports, and with our policy intervention which has been done, we will be achieving that. Skill building is a very key aspect for building competitiveness, and we are very cognizant of this thing, because the difference between the existing manufacturing nations and us is only the difference of skills. So we are working at various initiatives with the government also, and standalone as an industry initiative also, to build the skills in the respective fields, because it is skills for manufacturing a product is different than when we go down the value addition, because we have a very ambitious target of we have to increase the value addition in the country to almost 40-45% in the electronic sector. So we need skills at various aspects and various fields. So we are making programs which are customized to the particular industry, and in our value chain, a particular value chain. We are working with the industry and our skill councils to customize the programs. Ministry of Electronics and IT also run certain programs. We are contributing and collaborating with them for some high skills jobs also, which we require for the key industries like displays or semiconductor, where we need a more skilled manpower. And we are working with state governments also to upgrade the skills at ITIs and polytechnics, so that the industry gets the manpower which can be put to work on an urgent basis. So there are various activities which we are doing to building the skills. We are very happy, and we have enjoyed this relationship, our journey so far with Electronica and Productronica. This year we are looking at, because we are looking to move into the next phase of manufacturing, and display is a very key component of electronics products. So we are very fortunate, and we are very happy to partner with Electronica and Productronica for this key exhibition, and we are hoping that it will be a very good inputs for the manufacturing industry in whether it is automotive or consumer electronics or mobile phone or IT products. We are hoping that all the stakeholders will join this, and it will be a very informative and very productive session for the people who are going to participate and for the country also.